Welcome to my 818 square foot apartment in Oslo, Norway. Hi Apartment Therapy, I'm Elisabeth. I often describe my style as Scandinavian minimalism done wrong. I've always been drawn to minimalism and I'm not completely true to the aesthetic. I like stuff, but I don't want too much of it. But I take a step back and then I realize that I've kind of gone over some sort of limit, but it makes me feel good. I like that whole New York Loft kind of factory vibe. I grew up in the 70s, so that kind of vibe with all the plants, that's always been cool. It's always been nice. I wanted like the big windows, I wanted the light. In Norway, we have a saying that if there's a lot of space to go up, is almost like open-mindedness and acceptance of others. And I kind of like that whole metaphor that if there is room above you, then there is more room for others as well. And I wanted to live in a space where I was reminded of that. My favorite part is the home library, the heart and soul of the apartment. I like that my home is a haven where I'm surrounded by things that have meaning to me, that have function, but also joy and history. If your room or every room in your home contains at least one thing that you really love, it just adds personality to a functional space. I think I'm pretty much the tidiest clutter bug that you will ever meet. Everything has its place. I keep what I want, and I am very, very strict at not having overstuffed, overflowing. When I found this space, one of the things I really liked was that the mezzanine was just perfect for working from home. It's light and airy, but it's out of the way. So when I leave the office, I don't have to walk past my workspace all day. One of the things that makes me the happiest is the fact that when I first came in and saw this apartment, I thought, wow. And I have thought, wow, at least once a day, every single day since moving here. It's joyful. My plants are happy, and I sleep really well here, and my neighbors are really nice. It's a great place for entertaining guests, but it's also kind of cozy when you're just at home alone. I wouldn't trade it for something much bigger. I mean, I wouldn't trade it, period.